Hey, this is question and answer time with Uncle B, and the question we have is from my man Breezy B, who asks, wouldn't you say calisthenics next to weight training is good for testosterone? And well, yeah, you're right about that. When it comes down to it, both of these forms of exercises are good, depends on what your goal is. But if you're talking about purely testosterone, you actually want to do heavier lifting. Heavier lifting is definitely going to be the driver of getting more testosterone. Basically, you're tearing the muscle fibers, which signals your testosterone to like peak up while you're sleeping so that it can go ahead and repair your muscles. So tearing that muscle fiber definitely helps you get more testosterone going. However, calisthenics is a wonderful thing. So when we're talking about not only your testosterone, we also have to talk about your blood flow. So any exercise, any movement is going to help with your blood flow, but calisthenics, which is basically anything from jumping jacks, pull-ups, push-ups, things like that, you versus you. Now actually adding weight to it, maybe you do sometimes, but basically you're going you versus gravity. That helps with a lot of things concerning your blood flow. It's going to help with your testosterone also, but it really depends on your level of intensity. So when we talk about high intensity interval training, where you're exercising, let's say for 35 seconds hard training, and then you're taking a 10 or 15-second break, that is helpful for increasing your testosterone also. But really when it comes down to it, for pure testosterone, lifting heavier is going to be great, but you want to do all types of exercises to keep your blood flow going. Remember, when it comes to erections, is 50 to 70% of the time is blood flow issues, where the testosterone side is also the rest of it. So you need to get both of them in there. Hope that answers your question there, Breezy B. And hey, for my guys who have any other questions, go ahead and leave it down below. And if you appreciate this $1 million game, go ahead and hit that like button. And hey, this is Uncle B saying, get your game up and go hard. Peace out.